Hello everyone, welcome back to English Speaking and Listening Club. Today we're building something bold and practical together. A 90-day reset that clears your mind, strengthens your body, upgrades your habits, and moves your life forward in calm, measurable ways. This is not a perfect plan on paper. It's a simple system you can live, even on busy days. When you follow it, your energy rises, your focus sharpens, and your results stack quietly week after week. Think of your 90 days as 3 chapters. In Chapter 1, you clear noise and stabilize your energy. In Chapter 2, you build systems and learn a useful skill. In Chapter 3, you ship results and share them. The rules stay the same the whole time. Keep steps small, protect your mornings, focus on one main thing a day, and measure what matters so your brain sees proof. Progress, not perfection. Consistency, not drama. Days 130 are for clearing and stabilizing. You begin every morning with a gentle start. Drink a glass of water, get 2 minutes of daylight, move for 1 minute, and breathe in for 4 counts and out for 6 counts 10 times. Then you give your most important task a clean 25-45-minute focus block with your phone away and only one window open on your screen. Say out loud, one thing only, and begin. At night you close the loop with a tiny ritual. Write 3 wins, 2 lessons, and 1 priority for tomorrow. Keep screens low for the last half hour and aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. In this first chapter, you also set 2 anchors that make everything easier. The first anchor is a no-phone window for your first focus block and your last 30 minutes at night. The second anchor is a daily body promise you can keep even on hard days. 10 minutes of walking, stretching, or light strength. If you have health concerns, go gently and choose movements that feel safe. Small, daily movement makes your mind steadier, your mood lighter, and your choices cleaner. You also clear your space in this chapter. Tidy your desk, put only the tools you need within reach, and store distractions out of sight. If you share a home, claim a corner you can keep simple. Clear your digital space too. Turn off non-essential notifications, move tempting apps off your home screen, and install a simple site blocker for your work hours. You're not fighting your willpower, you're designing your environment to carry you. In money, you create calm by making your bills automatic where you can, setting a tiny automatic transfer to savings on payday, and listing your top 3 expenses to cut this month. You are not solving your finances in 1 week. You are starting a steady direction. In relationships, you reset with kindness by protecting 1 evening a week for connection without phones and by practicing 1 clean boundary sentence. I'm at capacity today. Here's what I can do by Friday. After 30 days of clearer mornings, quieter nights, simple movement, and cleaner space, you will already feel different. Your mind will have fewer tabs open. Your energy will be more stable. That is the foundation. Days 31-60 are for systems and skills. Now that you have energy and attention, you make them pay off. Choose 1 skill that fits your future and commit to 30-45 minutes 4 to 6 days a week. Keep it specific and useful. Clear writing, data basics, AI prompting and simple automations, sales conversations, presentation skills, anything that compounds in your field. Tie the skill to a tiny project so you learn by doing. If you're learning data, build a simple dashboard for your team. If you're learning writing, publish a 1-page case study each week. If you're learning sales, practice a short discovery script and book 3 conversations. The project gives your brain a target and creates proof you can show. In this chapter, you also install systems that remove friction. Create templates for emails you send often. Write a short checklist for tasks you repeat. Use if, then rules so your new habits win without a fight. If you feel the urge to scroll during your focus block, then stand up, breathe out longer than you breathe in 3 times, and write 1 more sentence. If you come home tired, then set a 10-minute timer and do the easiest part of your task before dinner. If a colleague is vague, then you reply with a 1-sentence summary and ask, "Is this correct?" Small rules beat big intentions. You also start a wins file in this chapter. Each day you paste 1 tiny piece of proof into a document, numbers, screenshots, kind messages, before and after images. Quiet proof builds quiet confidence, and quiet confidence makes action easier tomorrow. Days 61-90 are for shipping and sharing. You will not get lost in planning forever. You will finish things and put them into the world. Keep your morning focus block and your nightly close ritual. Each week you ship one concrete thing, a finished section of your proposal, a simple portfolio piece, a 3-minute explainer video, a features demo, a lesson summary, or an internal tool your team can use. After you ship, you share it with the right people. That might mean posting it where your clients are, emailing it to your manager with a one-line headline and a number that shows impact, or sending it privately to 3 people who can introduce you to opportunities. You also reach out with calm confidence each week. Choose 5 people you respect, send a short note of thanks or a helpful resource, and if it's right, ask one clear question. You're not begging. You are building relationships and letting your work speak. If you're employed, this is the month you ask for a review or a raise with your wins file in hand, or you open a conversation about a new responsibility you can own. If you're freelancing or building something, this is the month you make 10 direct offers with a simple promise, a simple price, and a simple start date. Shipping and sharing are nerves at first. After a few reps, they feel natural. To keep the 90 days smooth, use one daily rhythm and one weekly rhythm. Your daily rhythm is simple: wake, water, light, movement, breath, one focus block, one body promise, one learning block, one connection moment, and one close ritual. Your weekly rhythm is also simple. On Sunday, you plan the week in 20 minutes, set your one ship for Friday, and put your focus blocks on the calendar. From Monday to Thursday, you build your ship in small pieces. On Friday morning, you finish and send it. On Friday afternoon, you clear your inbox and desk, and you write a short note called Lessons and Levers. What moved the needle this week and what small change will make next week smoother? On Saturday, you rest your mind and body on purpose. Rest is not failure. Rest is fuel. Let me give you a picture you can follow tomorrow. You wake at 7, keep your phone off for 10 minutes, drink water, get light, move gently, and breathe. By 7:30, you are at your desk with only one window open. Timer set, phone in another room. You say, one thing only, and begin. You finish your block and take 5 minutes to stand, sip, and stretch. Late morning, you handle messages as a batch. At lunch, you eat for fuel and take a short walk. In the afternoon, you do a shorter focus sprint or work your learning project for half an hour. In the evening, you put your phone away during your meal and give someone you love your full attention for 5 minutes. Before bed, you write your 3 wins, 2 lessons, and 1 priority for tomorrow, read a few pages, and sleep. That is not a glamorous day. That is a powerful day repeated 90 times. There will be days you slip. That's normal. Use the 3-step reset: reset, reduce, restart. Reset by taking one slow breath and saying, begin again. Reduce by making the next step tiny: 2 minutes, 1 sentence, 1 push-up, 1 message. Restart by doing the tiny step now and marking it on your log. Your brain doesn't need a speech. It needs a win. If you miss a morning, use a late start reset. 2 minutes of light and water, 1 minute of movement, 1 minute of breath, and 5 minutes on your most important task. 5 honest minutes beat 0 perfect minutes every time. The identity you are building sounds like this: I am a person who begins. Measure what matters with 4 numbers you can track in 30 seconds a day. Track minutes of deep work, minutes of learning, minutes of movement, and hours of sleep. Write them on a small card or in a notes app. Numbers cut through mood. When you see the 4 numbers rising most days, your brain believes your story and gives you more energy to continue. If one number drops, don't judge yourself. Ask a better question: how can I make tomorrow's number easier to win? The answer is usually to make the steps smaller and the environment cleaner. I want to share a short story to show the arc of these 90 days. Anna felt scattered, tired, and behind. She started with the first chapter: water, light, breath, 1 clean focus block, 10 minutes of movement, and simple nights. In 2 weeks, her mornings felt lighter and her sleep steadier. In the second chapter, she chose 1 skill, clear writing, and wrote 1 page a day tied to her real job. She created 2 templates for recurring work and USTIF, then rules to protect her focus. In the third chapter, she shipped one thing every Friday and shared it with her team and 2 mentors. On day 90, she had a small portfolio of real improvements, a wins file she could show, better energy, and a calmer mind. She didn't become a different person. She became a steadier version of herself by repeating small, honest steps. You are ready for this. Your life does not need a dramatic rescue. It needs a steady reset. Clear the noise, guard your mornings, move your body, choose one skill, build tiny systems, ship weekly, share your work, sleep with intention, measure your 4 numbers, use reset, reduce, restart whenever you slip. 90 days from now, you will feel the difference in your energy, see the difference in your output, and trust yourself in a new way. That trust is worth more than any plan because it comes from proof. Start tonight with 1 page. Write tomorrow's 1 priority. Lay out your tools. Set your alarm with a kind label, 1 thing only. In the morning, begin. Then keep beginning. A reset is not a single moment, it's a rhythm. Stay with the rhythm, and the next version of you will meet you exactly where you've chosen to go. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.